Hey, welcome back to the channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And I've been documenting my beach home renovation here in Yucatan, Mexico. Yesterday was quite busy. They actually went past sunset, so I didn't get to record anything. And I'm just recording this right before they show up. So it's just past sunrise here on the coast of Yucatan, Mexico. And I'm going to show you what they did yesterday. Things are starting to really great. So they actually shakued the sides of the pool. This is the same finish that I've been talking about. It's a concrete finish you could stick on walls and stuff. They're going to do it here on the steam room, but they did it on the sides up here. Also, they removed the paper so you can actually see the tile now. We got it on the bar stools and on the bottom and around the island now and all that. And so I think I heard today they're going to do their shakum the bottom of the pool. And they're doing this now because the timing is quite honestly really perfect. You don't have any rain predicted for a few days. And so it's a great time to do it. They did finish some of the island stonebook yesterday as well. They just beveled it and did all that. Now on the steam room, they did the floor, created the floor, and we got the tile in. They brought the tile and we picked out, they brought it in yesterday. So this is a marble tile. That's actual tile, not actual marble. You can get marble here, but this is just tile. That's going to be the walls and the ceiling and the beach. It's the seating area, bench. And then this is going to be the floor. So we went with a slate just because we thought the contrast of these would be, I didn't want the whole thing to be just marble tile. I thought I'd get confused. Actually, I needed something that was a base, so we went with that. Man, my wife hasn't done her art project yet. That goes here with the shells that they're going to put some special concrete on. They're going to tell us when she's able to do that. And we get a nice time lapse of that as well. I did record a time lapse of them working on the pool yesterday, which I haven't looked at yet. I'll be sharing some of those videos after the project's done. And since this is taking a while. And that's about it. Yesterday, it was great progress. It's really looking like the real thing. And we're looking forward to being able to get in the pool and, of course, the steam room and not having construction people here all the time, even though we're very happy with them. They're great people and all that. But it's been nearly 3 months and we are wanting a break. So that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. You got a comment, positive comment, go for that, leave that. And if you got any questions about doing a home renovation in Mexico, it is different. My wife has a lot of experience she did over 80 in Texas a few years ago. So she knows what she's doing, but it is different here. And so if you got any questions regarding that I haven't covered, let me know in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel so you get more of this. We'll also be having travel videos and things like that as they happen. And hit that bell notification and you'll get notified when we have one. Also, join our newsletter, expatrebel.com/newsletter. And you'll get a weekly email on all the latest of what's going on and some expat news as well. Very nice community of expats want to be expats, enjoying our lifestyle that we pick out for ourselves that we really love. We love living here in Mexico, especially this area of Mexico, big fans. And so we share that in a newsletter. That's it from now. All righty. Talk to you guys later. Bye.